How's it going, everybody? Blind John Finance here. I'm going to come at you with a new video on XLM versus DOGEcoin. The two coins actually look just about the same when you take a quick glance at them. There's XLM, there's DOGEcoin. There's XLM, there's DOGEcoin, right? So if you just had, let's say $5,000 you wanted to put into one of these, which one would it be? I would go with XLM. This is why. If you look at all these moving averages, see the 400 period moving average, the black line, and the 600 period moving average? Well, XLM is above the 400 period moving average. In fact, it made a perfect little W bottom on the 400 period moving average, and it's only a few cents away from breaking over the conjoined Ichimoku 1 day and 2 day clouds right there. So it only has to have a nice 1 day pop to get back over the big resistances and be into bone zone mode. Whereas, if you look at DOGEcoin, very, very volatile. It looks similar, but it's a little bit of a farther percentage-wise to get back over the clouds. We got to get over 21 from 17 on this one. Also, it is actually underneath the 600 period moving average and the 400 period moving average. Two big, important, very long-term averages, where XLM is above the 400 period moving average and the 600 period moving average. And that makes it way sexier to me. Also, there's a lot of freaking drama around DOGEcoin because Elon Musk is the guy that really propped it up. And guess what? Right now, he's kind of going through some midlife crisis mumbo jumbo. He's talking smack about President Trump and all that motherfucking stuff. So, that being said, you want to stay away from drama. Okay, next, we're going to talk about the coins circulating. You've got 147 billion DOGEcoins, right? 147 billion DOGEcoins. How many XLM coins do we have? We have 31 billion in circulation. 30 times 5 is, basically equaling, I can't do math, is 30 times 5, 15. Yeah, so there's 5 times more DOGEcoin out there in circulation than XLM. So therefore, this would be like a low float OTC turd stock, XLM, with the capability of doing one of these big Husker-Du runs again, which was 6 or 7 bags after the election, where DOGEcoin ran 4 or 5 bags. So, long story short, I'd give this one like an 8 out of 10 on sexiness. I'd give this one over here, whatever the hell that is, maybe a 5 out of 10 on sexiness. And if DOGEcoin can't get back over this 600 period moving average and this becomes a bear flag and loses these lows, it's going to look even shittier. All right. I want to give all the different sides of the angles. I don't want to just be like, yeah, it's going up. They're going up to $5, and everything's going up. You got to give both angles if you want to be surviving in this world of shit. All right. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and subscribe to my video if you like this channel. Wait. Fuck. All right. Have a good day.